Delicious homemade tandoori chicken, basmati fried rice, and kebab recipe, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe for you, homemade tandoori chicken, basmati fried rice, and kebabs. Trust me, this is a feast you don't want to miss. So, let's jump right into the kitchen and get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need for this amazing dish. Ingredients for tandoori chicken. Chicken, 2 pounds, cut into pieces. Yogurt, 1 cup. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Tandoori masala, 3 tablespoons. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Salt, to taste. Ingredients for basmati fried rice. Basmati rice, 2 cups, cooked. Mixed vegetables, 1 cup, diced. Onion, 1, finely chopped. Garlic, 3 cloves, minced. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. Green onions, for garnish. Salt and pepper, to taste. Ingredients for kebabs. Minced chicken, 1 pound. Onion, 1, finely chopped. Bread crumbs, ½ cup. Egg, 1. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Fresh coriander, 1/4 cup, chopped. Salt and pepper, to taste. Let's get cooking. Tandoori chicken preparation. In a bowl, combine yogurt, ginger garlic paste, tandoori masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, lemon juice, and salt. Marinate the chicken in this mixture, ensuring it's well coated. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight for the flavors to infuse. Basmati fried rice. In a hot pan, add sesame oil and sauté garlic and onions until golden brown. Add mixed vegetables and cook until they're tender. Then, add the cooked basmati rice, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Stir well and let it cook for a few more minutes. Kebabs. Mix minced chicken, chopped onions, bread crumbs, egg, cumin powder, coriander powder, fresh coriander, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Shape the mixture into kebabs and grill or bake until they're cooked through and golden brown. And there you have it, our homemade tandoori chicken, basmati fried rice, and kebabs. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. A perfect combination of flavors that will surely impress your friends and family. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our delicious recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and happy cooking! Here are some benefits of tandoori chicken, basmati fried rice, and kebabs. Tandoori chicken. Lean protein. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, essential for muscle development and repair. Basmati fried rice. Low glycemic index. Basmati rice has a lower glycemic index compared to other rice varieties, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. Kebabs. High-quality protein. Minced chicken in kebabs offers high-quality protein, crucial for muscle maintenance and immune function. Thank you very much tandoori chicken, basmati fried rice, and kebabs lovers.